Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's contagion tally reached close to 12 lakh mark on Wednesday after the nation recorded a sharp spike of 37,724 fresh infections in the past 24 hours. Confirmed cases of the pandemic so far registered stands at 11,92,915. The actual case load, which are the active cases, presently stands at 4,11,113 according to the Union Health Ministry update. Since the past several days, the number of fresh infections have rapidly increased in the country, with single-day spike being recorded over 35,000. Deaths due to the virus have now mounted to 28,732 after 648 more people reportedly lost their lives to the contagion since Tuesday. On the brighter side, with improving recovery rate, the total number of recovered patients across the nation now stands at 7,53,050. The death toll in the cloudburst that wreaked havoc in Uttarakhand Pithoragarh district 2 days ago has risen to 10, with the recovery of 3 more bodies from a village on Wednesday, officials said. 4 bodies had been pulled out from the debris in Tanga village on Tuesday, Pithoragarh district magistrate V.K. Jagdande said. 3 bodies were recovered from the adjoining Gaila Patharkot village on Monday. Earlier in the day, the State Emergency Operations Center in Dehradun had said 5 bodies had been recovered in the village on Tuesday evening. However, the district administration later said 4 bodies were pulled out from the rubble in the village on Tuesday, followed by 3 on Wednesday. 11 people had gone missing after the cloudburst hit around 3:40 am on Monday, the DM said. Ghaziabad-based journalist Vikram Joshi, who was shot in the head by some assailants, succumbed in injuries early Wednesday, his family said. Joshi had lodged a complaint with the police alleging harassment of his niece on July 16 and was shot at around 10:30 pm on Monday near his home in Vijayanagar area, according to officials. Yes, Vikram Joshi, is no more. He passed away at around 4 am during treatment at the hospital, a family member said. Joshi, who worked with a local daily, was admitted to a private hospital. So far, 9 people have been arrested in connection with the case, according to the police. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday congratulated Indian nuclear scientists for achieving criticality of Kakrapur Atomic Power Plant 3. In a tweet, the Prime Minister said, "Congratulations to our nuclear scientists for achieving criticality of the Kakrapur Atomic Power Plant 3. The indigenously designed 700 MWE CAP-3 reactor is a shining example of Make in India and a trailblazer for many such future achievements." A 3 MW solar power plant was commissioned at the Indian Naval Academy Azimala in Kerala by Vice Admiral Anand Kumar Chawla, Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief Southern Naval Command. The Vice Admiral commissioned the plant online. The plant, set up under the Centre's National Solar Mission to achieve 100 GW of solar power by 2022, is the largest in the Navy with an estimated life of 25 years. All components have been indigenously sourced, including 9,180 highly efficient monocrystalline solar panels employing the latest technology. The project has been executed by the Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation Limited. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.